सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार। गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। कैसे हो आप सब? ठीक। तो बच्चों, आपको पकौड़ी कविता समझ में आई? हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड द पोएम ऑफ पकौड़ी? ठीक है। आज हम लोग देखने जाने वाले हैं वो है पकौड़ी का अभ्यास, बुक एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस पकौड़ी। ठीक है, तो चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं किताब का अभ्यास। उससे पहले हम लोग एक बार कविता को फिर से रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ओके, बिफोर गोइंग टू सी द बुक एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस लेसन पकौड़ी, we'll see sorry we'll read will we are going to do the reading practice of the poem कविता। ओके, चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं पकौड़ी कविता। पकौड़ी कविता में क्या होता है, आप जैसे छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं तो पकौड़ी जब बनती है तो वो दौड़ी दौड़ी आती है। क्यों दौड़ी दौड़ी आती है? वो तेल में जाने के लिए दौड़ी दौड़ी आती है। जब वो तेल में डालने के बाद वो नाचना शुरू कर देती है, तो जब वो नाचती है तो उसका जो आवाज़ है छुन 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 करके आवाज़ निकलती है। जब वो तेल में नाचने के बाद प्लेट में आने के लिए पकौड़ी बहुत शर्माती है। फिर दूसरी पकौड़ी वो भी है, दौड़ी दौड़ी आती है। फिर दौड़ी दौड़ी आकर फिर वो हाथ से जब वो उछलती है तो वो सीधे जाकर मुंह में पहुंचती है। फिर मुंह से लेकर पेट में जाने के लिए वो घबरा जाती है। जब पकौड़ी खाते हैं तो बच्चों का मन बहुत भाता है ना बच्चों? सो ये जो कविता है वही बता रहा है कि पकौड़ी का स्वाद कैसा है, पकौड़ी तेल में तलने के बाद उसकी आवाज़ कैसे आती है, ये शब्द हम लोगों को बताया गया है। ओके, सो हियर the poet he was explained very nicely about the pakodi. So when the pakodi it is running and coming, after it is when it is going in the oil, at the time that pakodi it is doing dance. So that dance, how it is doing chun 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 like that, this pakodi is doing dance. After that, frying that pakodi, it goes on the plate, and the next when it is going on the plate, at the time this pakodi it feels very shy. So that after going to the plate, it is going to have it. Okay, at that time this pakodi, when we are taking and we are eating, at the time how we are eating that groundnuts, and the next walnuts will be there, no? So like when we are eating that pakodi, it jumps from the mouth, it jumps from the hand, it goes inside the mouth. So when it reaches the mouth, this pakodi little bit it got afraid. Why? Because where I am going, like that this pakodi was little bit afraid. After that, that pakodi it reaches the stomach, and the children they are enjoying that pakodi taste very nicely. So this is the poem of pakodi. Okay, तो चलिए अब हम लोग पकौड़ी का कविता रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। कम चिल्ड्रन, विल डू द रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दिस पकौड़ी पोएम। दौड़ी दौड़ी आई पकौड़ी, छुन 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 तेल में नाची, प्लेट में आ शर्माई पकौड़ी, दौड़ी दौड़ी आई पकौड़ी। Have you all heard now? Yes, now everyone repeat with me. सब लोग मेरे साथ दोहराइए, ठीक है? चलिए आप लोग भी मेरे साथ बोलिए बच्चों। दौड़ी दौड़ी आई पकौड़ी, छुन 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 तेल में नाची, प्लेट में आ शर्माई पकौड़ी, दौड़ी दौड़ी आई पकौड़ी। वन मोर टाइम, फिर से। दौड़ी दौड़ी आई पकौड़ी, छुन 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 तेल में नाची, प्लेट में आ, शर्माई पकौड़ी, दौड़ी दौड़ी आई पकौड़ी। वन मोर टाइम, दौड़ी दौड़ी आई पकौड़ी, छुन 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 तेल में नाची, प्लेट में आ, शर्माई पकौड़ी, दौड़ी दौड़ी आई पकौड़ी। ठीक है बच्चों, please do the reading practice of this poem. It is very easy. Okay, so come we'll see today book back exercise. चलिए अब हम लोग देखते हैं book back exercise. Previous class में मैंने आपको इसको सिखाया था। आपके जो पसंद है मज़े से खाएंगे, खाना पड़ेगा और बिल्कुल नहीं खाएंगे। आप सब लोगों ने किया है ना बच्चों? ठीक है, अब चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं अगला पेज, पेज नंबर 46। ओके, सो क्या सुना? व्हाट यू हियर्ड। खाली जगह में आवाज लिखो। सो हियर डाउन दे हैड गिवन द स्पेसेस एंड ही इज टेलिंग दैट व्हाट आर द नॉइसेस इट विल do. Okay, so how the noise of the horn sound will be, that one we have to write. And CT, the sound when we are blowing the CT at the time, how that noise it is coming. Bus, when the bus is horning at the time, how the sound it is come. And the next, rota hua bacha, when the child is crying. Okay, how that sound it will be, we have to write. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तुम्हें जो सवारी सबसे अच्छी लगती है उसका चित्र बनाओ। सो हियर so many vehicles we are having, no? सवारी means vehicle. Okay, like auto rickshaw, car, bus, aeroplane, helicopter, and the next train. So in these boat, ship, so many vehicles we are having for traveling, transportation. So in that, which one you are liking, that picture you have to draw here. Okay children, so this is the homework for you. This picture you have to draw. Now come, at first we'll see this question. खाली जगह में आवाजें लिखो. So down the space had given, in that write the sound, how it doing the sound. Okay, so first one, see what is that first one. First one is bomb, which means that pom pom sound will come, no? So that one, this one it is mostly it is using in lorries. Okay, when you are observing the lorries at the time, like this horn will be there. So that one, when we are pressing in that, it is coming the sound like a pom pom. Okay, so we have to write here pom pom. So here I am writing and showing children. So don't write it now. Pom, which means pom, which means pa upon Chandra Bindu. Pom, pom. So pom pom sound will come from the bhompu. This one we are calling in Hindi bhompu. Okay, next, second one. So second one is whistle. How the whistle noise will come? Can anyone? इसको हम लोग सीटी कहते हैं हिंदी में, है ना बच्चों? इन हिंदी वी आर कॉलिंग दिस वन इज सीटी. सीटी से आवाज कैसी निकलती है? पी पी जैसा निकलता है ना? यस, सो विल राइट हियर पी पी. पी, ई की मात्रा. Ping. When P I am telling sound it is coming. So that's why here I put the dot. Again ping. Okay. Next, bus. The bus sound, how it will come? The bus, when it is horning at the time, pom pom. This one is pom, paw, paw, which means aki matra, pa, aki matra. When I am saying paw at the time, Anki pronunciation is also coming. So that's why here I gave the dot. Paw, paw. Okay. So these two. Paw, paw. So bhumpuna, paw, paw noise will come. Sitina, pee sound it do. And the next bus na, paw, paw sound will come. Next, rota hua bacha. So when the childs are crying, how that noise will come? Wah, wah. Yes, no? Yes. So now we have to write wah, which means ooh. Second ooh we have to write ooh, wah, So Chandrabindu will come here. Anki pronunciation it is coming. And the next wah. Va say Varsha. Va. Aki matra. Wah. Next, also we have to write umma. Oo, second oo, Chandrabindu. After that, va, va, umma, umma, umma. Okay, so the sounds, one is bambu, another one is city, third one is bus, fourth one is rota hua bacha. Okay, bambu sound is pom pom, city sound is pee, bus sound is pom pom, and rota hua bacha ma ma. Okay, see it right after finishing this session. Now come, we'll see the next question. Next question I had given the homework for you, no? Yes, again I will read and explain you. So, तुम्हें जो सवारी सबसे अच्छी लगती है, so which transportation you are liking so much, that one, उसका चित्र बनाओ, which means you draw the picture. So, if example, I am liking the boat, so I can draw the boat. Okay, so like this, any transportation you can draw. Like this. Okay, if you are liking car, you can draw the car. So you can draw the car picture. Here for me, wheels are came very big, but you have to draw very neatly. Okay, children. So which transportation you are liking, you can draw the picture. Train, aeroplane, chopper, or otherwise car, bus, ship, boat. Anything you can draw. This is the homework. Okay, this is the homework for you. Next, come we'll see the next page. This one is number 1 in Hindi and this one is number 2 in Hindi. Already when I taught the numbers at the time, I shown to you. So this one is number 1 and this one is number 2. Remember, एक पहिया which means one wheel, दो पहिया two wheels. बोलो किसके कितने पहिए. So here they had given some transportations and he is asking for each transportation how many wheels we are having. We have to write that thing. Okay children, have you all understood now? Again I am reading. एक पहिया दो पहिए. बोलो किसके कितने पहिए. So one wheel or two wheels. Tell me for each is transportation how many wheels we are having. Okay children. So come, we'll see that thing. So thela. Thela means cart. Only cart. Okay, so which one, if we are seeing the vegetables, fruit market, they are keeping that fruits on the cart. Okay, vegetables arranging on the cart. So have you observed how many wheels we are having for that? Can anyone? Lakshita, have you observed how many wheels we are having for thela, which means that cart? जो ठेला होता है ना, ठेल कर लेके जाते हैं. Yes, how many we are having? So we are having 4 wheels. How many we are having? 4 wheels. So write the number 4. Now the turn is Ritvik. Shri Ritvik, Tanga. So see here Tanga picture is there. For Tanga, how many wheels we are having? I am asking only Shri Ritvik. How many wheels we are having, Shri Ritvik? See here, 1. This one is 2. So how many wheels we are having? 2 wheels. Here front horse only is there, no? So only how many wheels? 1, 2. So here write it 2. Okay. Next, इशिका, आप बताइए स्कूटर के लिए कितने पहिए हैं? Ishika, you tell me for scooter how many wheels we are having. See here the picture. आपको पिक्चर दिख रही है ना, चित्र देख रहे हैं ना, कितने पहिए दिख रहे हैं? एक, पीछे 2. Only 2 wheels we are having for scooter. So we have to write the number 2. Okay, if you are writing the Hindi number 1, 2 spelling na, that is good, but that is good only. If you want to write the number, you can write. That is your wish. Next, सागुल. सागुल, आप बताइए बैलगाड़ी के लिए कितने पहिए होते हैं? So बैलगाड़ी, which means bullock cart. So where is the bullock cart picture? Here. So for this bullock cart, how many wheels we are having? 1. Again that side 2. Only 2 we are having. Front oxes are there. Okay, so only 2. Number 2 we have to write. Yes. Now cycle. Cycle, Chaitra or Kshetra. So for cycle, bicycle, so see here, bicycle picture is here. Okay, so how many wheels we are having? How many wheels are there? 1, 2. Okay, so how many wheels we are having? Yes, good, 2. So write the number 2. Next, पानी का जहाज. पानी का जहाज, which means water boat. For water boat, do we have any wheels? Can anyone observe? बोट जो होता है, जहाज जो होती है, उसके नीचे पहिया होते हैं. So for boat, any wheels will be available? No, नहीं. So we have to write नहीं. नहीं. So write the answer नहीं. Okay. Next, ट्रक. ट्रक कैसा होता है? जैसे कि बस जैसा, मगर पीछे ओपन होता है ना. तो ट्रक के लिए कितनी पहिए होते हैं? For truck, how many wheels we have? We have 4 wheels. So we have to write the number 4. For bus, how many wheels do we have? See here, 1, 2, 3. Here one more will be there. 4. For bus also 4 wheels are there. So we have to write the number 4. Now see the rickshaw. So for rickshaw, how many wheels we are having? 1, 2, 3. है ना सोनल? 3 लिखना है ना यहाँ पर? Yes, we have to write 3. Next, car. So for car, how many wheels do we have? For car also 4 only. Next one is auto rickshaw. For auto rickshaw, how many wheels do we have? कितने हैं हम लोगों को ऑटो रिक्शा के लिए पहिए? 1 पहिया, 2 पहिए और तीसरा उधर होता है ना 3 पहिए. सो राइट द नंबर 3. अब बारी होती है हवाई जहाज, एरोप्लेन. सो चिल्ड्रन, हैव यू ऑब्जर्व्ड हाउ मेनी व्हील्स डू वी हैव फॉर एरोप्लेन? आपने देखा एरोप्लेन के लिए कितने पहिए होते हैं? 16 पहिए होते हैं. 16 wheels will be there for aeroplane. Okay, so write the number 16. Okay children, if you want to see in complete now you can see in complete, otherwise I'm going to post this assignment, this exercise in the assignment session, so there you can see and you can write. Okay children, so we'll meet in the next session. In the next session we are going to see the classwork notebook of this lesson, pakodi. So हम लोग अगले सेशन में जो पकौड़ी का जो क्लास वर्क नोटबुक है ना उसको देखेंगे. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद बच्चों. आप पढ़ते ही रहिए पकौड़ी की कविता और उसके साथ साथ वर्णमाला की भी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. और हम लोगों को अभी 12 बजे से हम लोगों को क्लास है ना. सो एवरीवन प्लीज ज्वाइन द क्लास sharp at 12 o'clock. Okay, so today we are going to have an online session. In this session again we'll do the reading practice of this Varnamala. Okay, so everyone, last and previous session you had said up to Janya, so after that onwards we'll do the practice. Okay, thank you all of you. Dhanyawad bachcho.